Number 15, which rule describes the relationship between x and y in the accompanying table? If we look at all of our answer choices, all of our equations have an absolute value. So you remember, to get the absolute value, we hit math on our calculator, scroll to the right to num, and then it should be your first one, 1 abs, and it would look like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically just going to type my equations into y equals, then hit second graph. So for choice 1, it says the absolute value of negative 3x. I'm going to get an add, so let me close my calculator. So I'm going to go to y equals, and I'm going to type in math, scroll right, enter, and then type in negative 3x, and then I have the absolute value of negative 3x. I'm going to hit second graph. At 0, I get 0. I do not get negative 3. So I'm not going to choose choice 1. Now I'm going to go back to y equals. I don't have to clear it. I can just delete it. And then I type in x minus 3 and hit second graph. At 0, I don't get 3. I don't get negative 3. I do get 3, though. So it can't be choice 2. In choice 3, I have y equals the absolute value of x, take away 3. So I scroll back to the right, type in x, and that minus 3 goes on the outside. Now I hit second graph. At 0, I get negative 3. At negative 1, I get negative 2. At negative 2, I get negative 1. And at negative 3, I get 0. So this is going to be choice number 3. Type each equation into y equals, hit second graph, and then match up with your table.